Good morning! How's everyone doing? My name is Jordan Taggart. I'm a project manager with Green Star Movement, and today I'm going to walk you through a technique called bricolage. Bricolage is the combination of a number of artistic mediums: mosaic, 3D sculpting, photo transfer, and paint. We at Green Star have used this method to create 80+ murals across the city of Chicago since our founding in 2005. Now, let's talk about how you can help. Nipping tile is useful in instances where you need to shape your tile precisely. Simply place the jaws of the nippers over the tile approximately 1/4 inch from the edge. Then, gently squeeze the nippers until the tile cracks. Repeat this action until you have the shape you want. Cutting tile is a different exercise entirely. First, place the tile firmly against the top of the edge of the tile cutter and position the cutting wheel where you want to cut. Then, you'll need to score the tile, which you can do by firmly moving the scoring wheel from bottom to top across the face of the tile surface. Once the tile is scored, let the pressure bar drop down onto the center of the tile. Then, apply firm pressure to the handle until the tile snaps cleanly across its score line. We have a saying here at Green Star: the cleaner you keep your hands, the cleaner you keep your tiles. To keep your hands mortar free, first, hold the piece of tile you want to place between your thumb and your index finger. Then, swoop that tile against the side of your mortar palette and you'll end up with a nice dollop on the back of your tile. When you've found your spot, simply press the tile into place. Give it a little shimmy to evenly distribute the mortar, and remember to always be mindful of your spacing. If you see mortar start to squirt out of the sides like a double stuffed Oreo, you've used too much. The reason we ask you to be mindful of your spacing is because of the grouting process. Grout is a mixture of cement and sand that we dye ourselves and is used to fill in the spaces in between the tiles to ensure our murals can survive Chicago winters. Like cutting and placing tiles, grouting isn't all too complicated. Simply start by placing a handful of grout on your sponge and moving the sponge upward, filling the spaces in between the tile. After filling all the spaces in your area, wipe away excess grout with your glove hand in a circular motion. And finally, once the grout sets, again, wipe up the excess grout and make sure the faces of the tiles are clean. Alright, with all that in mind, it looks like you're about ready to grab a pair of nippers, a bucket of tile, a pallet of mortar, and get to work. But above all, we want you guys to have fun. We hope you'll visit us soon. Thank you.